Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple images in Affinity. And I understand the trouble that you have. So for example, you're in Affinity and you have one image and you're about to add a second image. Let me go ahead and let's say stretch this out so that you can see. So let's say you have one image, right? And you try to add another image in it by clicking on file, then you click on open, and then you just choose another image and you click open. What happens is that it takes over your entire image, and no, you're not able to see your previous image. How do you go about adding another image on top of this so that you can continue your design? That is super easy, and let me show you in a couple of seconds. So all you have to do, guys, is click on file and use the place tool. So once you click on place, or you can simply use Control Shift and M, you click on place and you find the image that you wish to add. Now let's say I want to add this Mac icon right here, or this Mac logo. Go ahead and click on it and click on open. And now it's going to allow you to choose the place where you want to add it. So now just simple click and it's going to add it in. And all you have to do is resize the image to fit whatever you want. So I'm going to resize this real quick. And as you can see, I know of it in my design. And that's how easy it is, guys, to add multiple images in Affinity. Very easy and very simple.